Total in Vasco, all the footpaths are being encroached upon, whereas there is a High Court judgment asking for removal of the same, direction to the Honorable Chief Officer to remove the same without any hindrance, wherein they have got inherent powers to do the same. But we do not know why they are not working and removing all this encroachment throughout the city, not only these fruit vendors, it is there in vegetable market, it is there in the Sunday market, it's around all over the city, which needs to go, which needs to be removed in larger public interest. The municipality should act little more actively and remove the same in larger public interest. त्या भाशेन सगळे काडल्यार लोकांक सगळे बरें जातलें, पार्किंग कोत्ताय, एनक्रोचमेंट कोत्ताय आनी हितून कितें जाता, बायलांक भुरग्यांक रस्त्यार चलचें पडटा आनी मागीर एक्सिडेंट जाताय, लायफ वताय, मोत्ताय. मार्केटान 2 जाण मेल्ले टँकर मारून वेजिटेबल मार्केटा कडेन बिकॉज ऑफ एनक्रोचमेंट. फ्रूट वेंडर थिंगाय हाय. हांकां सगळ्यांक एक पब्लीक इंट्रस्टाचेर हे स्ट्रिक्टनेस दवरून हांकां रिप्लेस काडून हांकां आय एम नॉट टेलिंग टू रिमूव देम, दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू डू बिजनस. They are allowed to do business, but with proper setbacks. They should be placed at a proper place where they can do their business also and remove this illegality.
हे जर पळयत जाल्यार आमच्या फुटपाथीचेर बाबडे गरीब वेवसाय करपी जे आसा तांकां बाबडे कशे हाल काडटा. सद्या तांकां आमचे सामान्य मनीस जर सुद्दां फुटपाथीचेर जर चलतलो जाल्यार ताका सद्या चलपाक सुद्दां मेळना. हे बाबडे रातीचे दीस करून मेहनत करतात आनी ते बाबडे अशे हे हवळ्यार वताचेर रावन ते वेवसाय करतात. म्हाका दिसता आतां इट इज अ हाय टायम, म्हाका दिसता मुन्सिपाल्टीन खंय तरी मास्टर प्लॅन करून कितें बऱ्यांतलो बरो प्रकल्प करून हाडूंक जाय आनी जनते फुडें दीस जनते खातीर साधन सुविधा करून दिवपाक जाय. हे अशें न्ही, हे बरें दिसना, कारण हे तरी हे सुद्दां आमचे वास्कोचे रहिवासी, हांच्या खातीर साधन सुविधा जर आमी करना जाल्यार कितें उपयोग.
When we were doing this encroachment move these inspections and some of the teams were going in the field, that time we could not manage. Nowadays, because more than 80% of my staff had been taken for election duty and we were slow down our squads standing inspection this and removal of the encroachment. Now I will full-fledged start this and I will make it happen again that the footpaths are clear and High Court directions are observed strictly.